Hi, my name is Paulina Evangelista. I am from Shafter, California, and I'm a junior here at Providence Christian College. Here at Providence, I've been just been blessed with the opportunity to be able to be involved with a lot of student activities and spiritual life. So currently, I am in charge of helping with putting on chapel and the worship team, which has been really amazing. I'm also the Turning Point founder and vice president of the chapter here. I'm part of the debate club. I'm also in choir, so you'll see me in that. And I'm also part of the newspaper this year, which has been new for me and has been really fun. I have a column called The Counter on there. And those are just some of the things that I have been involved with at Providence, which has really grown me and just helped me come out of my shell a lot this year. Coming here has definitely not only helped me personally, but also helped me spiritually. I've had faculty members genuinely care about how I'm doing spiritually, genuinely wanting to help me grow in my faith. And that has been a totally different experience from both private and public schools that I've gone to. I have faculty members that will ask me, "Hey Paulina, how are you doing? You look like you've had a bad day. Let me pray for you. Come into my office, let me talk to you." Or just wanting to know who I am, wanting to find out who am I. As someone who's gone to a big Christian school, I would definitely say Providence Christian College is the college you want to support. There's a lot of big Christian schools out there, but that doesn't mean anything. It can say Christian on it, but it doesn't mean anything. I mean, I went to that big Christian school, and it didn't mean anything. There were students that said, "Hey, I'm Muslim. Hey, I'm an atheist. Hey, I actually hate God." And it was shocking to me because I came there from a public school thinking coming to a Christian school I was going to find good Christian people, and I didn't see that every day. It was so hard to find good friends, so hard to find faculty that really cared about me. And coming here has been totally different. Not only does this school have faculty that cares, but what they're teaching is truth. And that is so hard to find these days. A big part of what is being taught in schools, even in Christian schools, is a distorted version of truth. It's truth, but it's distorted in different ways, with different ideologies, with different ideas that are not biblical and are not from God. And a lot of what this school teaches, especially in those classes where you can really see a biblical standpoint, you can see that it's preaching truth and it reflects scripture. And that's what is needed these days. We need a school that reflects truth because the truth will set you free. Finding out that Providence was a confessionally reformed school was definitely a thing that I was a bit excited for. I really have never known a college to be confessionally reformed or anything. Most schools are non-denominational or just something else, And it has been so different to come to a school where they teach from a reformed standpoint. And it's obviously seen in every single faculty member, especially our Bible faculty members. It is it's so obvious that they believe it. It's so obvious in what they're teaching, and they are so strong and consistent in their teaching. They do not change to what the world thinks. They do not change to what other people think or other students think. They strongly stand in everything that they believe in and everything that the Reform standpoint believes in. And it's just been incredible to witness that.